Hi students, in this class I am going to explain you about the adder circuits. There are different types of adder circuits like half adder, full adder circuit. Half adder circuit is used to add 2 bits and produces 2 outputs sum and carry. We can say that half adder is a combinational circuit used to add 2 bits and produce 2 outputs sum and carry. Whereas full adder circuit is a combinational circuit used to add 3 bits and produce output sum and carry. Let us discuss about the half adder first of all. Half adder circuit. If we have 2 inputs A and B, all the possible combinations I am taking here 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, it produces 2 outputs sum, which is denoted by S, and another is carry, which is denoted by C. So, simply you can do binary addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, there is no carry. 0 plus 1 is 1, no carry. 1 plus 0 is 1, no carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry over 1. According to binary addition, we can see it. So, now you can in the sum expression S, you can see there are 2 outputs here, where in this column 1 is there. Now, you have to write the minterms for this expression. For this expression, write the minterms. You can see 0 and 1. 0 means A complement and B is 1 for the first one. For this one, second one, see the inputs A and B. A is 1, write A, and B is 0, so write B complement. For 0, write complements, and for 1, you write uncomplement terms. So, this is the expression for sum. Same way for carry, all are 0, but only 1 is there and both inputs are 1. So, write C equal to A, B. So, we can say that some expression follow XOR gate. This is a expression of XOR gate and this is AND gate. When you draw the logic circuit diagram, you can draw like this: A, B, XOR, you can write A XOR B, and I am using the jumper here, and this is A dot B. This is the sum expression and this is the carry expression. So, this is about the half adder circuit. Now, next is full adder circuit, in which we have to take 3 inputs. There are 3 inputs and 2 outputs sum and carry for full adder. A, B, C, 3 inputs are there. And 2 outputs sum. This is carry input and this will be carry output. So, write the values 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 for 3 inputs A, B, C, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, then 4 times 0, 4 times 1. Okay, now get the sum and carry. 0, 0 is sum is 0 and no carry means 0 carry. Same way 0, 0, 1, sum is 1, there is 0 carry. Sum is again 1, carry 0. The 2 ones, 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry over 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1, there is no carry. 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry over 1. Same way 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry over 1, and 111 is 1 and carry over 1. So, this way we can draw the truth table of full adder. Now, derive the expressions through minterms. There are 4 outputs column in which there are ones, here also. First of all, for S, for sum. For sum, you can see for the first one, inputs A, B, C, A0, B0, C is 1. So, A complement, B complement, C, A complement, B complement, C, plus for this one, A complement, B, C complement, A complement, B and C complements, A and C are 0. For this one, A, B, C, this means A, B complement, C complement. For the last one, A, B, C, all are 1. This is for sum expression. Now, for carry, first one, inputs are A, B, C, A complement, B, C, A complement, B, C, wherever 0 write complement, wherever is 1 write uncomplement terms. The next one, A, B complement, C, A, B complement, C, for the this one, A, B, C complement, A, B, C complement, for the last one, A, B, C, all are 1s. So, this is the expression for carry. Now, again you can say this is the XOR gate between A, B, C. So, sum follows XOR gate, and when you reduce this expression, the carry, either using K-map or Boolean algebra, then finally after reducing A dot B, B dot C plus A dot C will be the reduced form of this expression. So, we can say that carry follows AND gates, which afterwards will be combined with OR gates. Now, you can easily draw the logic circuit diagram for these two expressions. That is all.